I forgot to bring my map, because I didn't bring it anyway, because I know where I'm going, but I didn't get the grid reference of where I'm parked up, so I'll put that on the screen somewhere, and I'll give you the grid reference later of where the Sgwd waterfall is. And the car park, you got to pay a fee for the day. It's not much, and you got a toilet block there and a little shop, and on the edge of the toilet block is drinking water as well, a little tap. It's not signposted, so if you came here not knowing that, you wouldn't know that tap was there. But yeah, it's real nice, really friendly, and as you may see, there's caving going on around here as well. There's cavers down in the cave, they're just about to go in, and there's also nice walks as well. So, oh, nearly fell. So see how it goes. This bit here is called the Blue Pool, and when I was with Breakaway Survival School, on the navigation phase, we used to stop at this point and have a little talk about health and hygiene in the field, keeping yourself clean and all that. And we used to jump in the river here, and it's over your head, and you know, so you could go in. You didn't have to jump in if you didn't want to. You could walk in or not go in at all. It didn't matter. Not for that course. But if you did go in, you could go in your clothes, or you can go in your pants, or you could go in naked like I did. It's best to go in naked, really, because when you come out, you're going to come out with wet underwear, and if it's cold, it's not very good. But it was all very friendly, and you didn't have to go in if you didn't want to. But yeah, we used to jump in down by there. Oh. That's the platform. I'm not going in today though, so I know you'd like to see me go in. Now I've got to get back up now. Here we go. Oh. this walk and you come across a casualty that needs seriously evacuating, or you're injured yourself quite seriously, what you could do is well, normally you dial 999 and ask for the mountain rescue and give them your location, whether it be a grid reference or something like that. But on this walk there's posts with numbers, and I got one here, and what you could do is say that you're walking to sgwd waterfall and you're at post 23, or between 23 and 24 or wherever, something like that. So here's the post. There you go. So if you're in trouble, just say which post you're at. There you go.
Okay.
Cheers.
Enjoy.
And you. Oh, we're nearly there. We just turned right by the signpost, and now we're going to go downhill, down into the gorge, and it's quite a nice path going down. There's a lot of people here because it's a weekend, so but that's a good thing, isn't it? There you go. Let's get down there. Okay, nearly there. Lots of people here. Oh, here we are, bottom of the gorge, and get past these people. I'll have a better look in a minute. Oh, people taking photos. I don't know whether you can hear me, but the stones are very slippery, and it's very noisy as well. So let's have a look. wet. There's a lot of spray coming along, so you need to put a waterproof jacket on, I suppose. So on a hot day it would be quite welcoming, really. The rocks are very slippery, so you've got to be careful, but that's it. Lots of people here. It's a lovely place. It's absolutely stunning walk and a stunning place to come along and have a look. And that's Sgwd waterfall. That's the one on top, on the front of the magazines and all that. So there it is. You can walk behind it, as you can see, and the way back is the way I came. So I'm going to walk up that steps now and burst my lungs, I bet. It's a bit knackering, but it's really good view. So I'm going to see if I can. No, I don't think I could cross the river here, so unless I'm going to get wet boots and wet socks. So I'm going to go back behind the waterfall. So let's do it. Okay, back up the hill. Oh, that was absolutely lovely. It's a warm day, not very hot, but the water and the spray is absolutely stunning. Cheers. I certainly recommend people do this walk. And it's a race going up the hill. Oh. 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 It's times like this you realise you should have done more exercise in your life. Okay, the car is in that direction, so but I'm going to find somewhere to make a meal. I'm going to make an omelette, so I'm going to hide off somewhere, find a little hide, because there's lots of people about. So yeah, that was absolutely brilliant. The spray was refreshing because it's a sunny day, and the views are absolutely stunning. It's not a mountain walk, and anybody could do this walk really. It didn't take too long. I didn't time it really. About I don't know, no more than an hour. I'm a fast walker anyway. But even if you're a bimbo with a family, it shouldn't take more than an hour. But that was absolutely stunning, absolutely brilliant, well worth coming to have a look. Well, that's the omelette done. It wasn't exactly very nice looking, but it was very nice taste. And I've made better looking omelettes, but there you go, in more comfortable places. But that's the way it goes. I wanted to get away from the people and the dogs mainly, and the wind. So anyway, I'm going back to the car the way I came, but there are other routes around to go back to the same car park, so that's up to you if you come here. It's a stunning place, it's worth having a go. But anyway, I'm gonna shut off now, and I hope to see you again on the next one, hopefully. And well, thanks for watching, and see you again. Bye. Talking to the camera.